What are you doing?
Carving your name. See? C-R-Y-S.
No, you mustn't do that. Here. Can't you feel its pain?
It's pain?
Yes.
Humans can't feel anything. They're numb from the brain down.
Oh, Zak. He doesn't understand.
Did I say something wrong? So, which way to Ferngully? Isn't this great? Wow. What is this place?
This is Ferngully.
Hey, Crysta, what's this?
Careful, Stump. He's a human.
Hey, how does it taste?
Got it. A human?
Is this what we're looking for?
Gummy! Yabo
Hey, that's my human.
I'm blind! No! I can see! It's a miracle! Another perfect landing. No worries. I'm okay. Thank you for caring. It's just a few bruises. Nobody cares about me.
I do, Batman.
You sure?
I'm positive.
Only fools are positive.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. I fell for it. I should have
Come on,
known.
Zak.
Crysta, we were so worried about... What's that?
Father, I'd like you to meet Zak.
Hi.
He's a bodacious babe.
What?
He's a human.
Somehow I thought they'd be... bigger.
Well, I had a little accident and he sort of shrank. But just think, humans back in the forest.
Yep, there goes the neighborhood.
Be nice, Batty.
First thing, all these trees go. Then come your highways, then come your shopping malls, and your parking lots and your convenience stores, and then come... Price check on prune juice, Bob. Price check on prune juice.
Crysta, where you been? I've been looking all over for you.
Pips, you won't believe what I found. Isn't he amazing?
Should we be charging admission for this?
Well, that's all you gotta say. I've been out all night, and you want to show me this weird creature here?
This weird creature is a human.
He's kind of small, ain't he?
Pips, why don't you tell us about your strange treasure?
Oh, well, it's simple, really. It's hard like stone, yet it's hollow. And yeah, it has this little vine coming out of it, and
It's my stereo.
look, I found it, so I'll explain it. All right?
Okay, then what is it?
Well, it's obviously it's Oh!
Where are you going? It's alive!
And it's noisy.
It's a recording of music.
Well, I don't know what a recording is, but I know what music is, and that is not music.
Come on, everybody. Get out.
don't you come with me and the boys? We'll give you a taste of real Ferngully wildlife. Unless, of course, you're not up to it. Zap.
I'm up to anything you could dish out, bud.
Not now, Pips.
Nuts.
Come on, Zak.
Hey, where they going?
See you around, Zag.